Greetings from Stewart Island. Out here dropping a couple lines. I came out here to a little secluded island and just dropping some lines. Had some luck so far, and we're gonna see if I can what else I can pull in. So stay tuned. I got my bag here, all my fishing gear. I got just hooks and weights. I picked up this freeze-dried squid, which is wacky. You just put some water in there, just add water for squid. But I mean, look at this place; it's gorgeous, and the fish are loving it. You can imagine no one probably fishes out here, at least right here in this spot. But yeah, we're having some luck, so let's see if we get some more. All right, so I got my freeze-dried squid right here. I was fishing with little weights before, but I don't have any leader on, so I was just tying a knot, just feeding the line through the weight and tying a knot, and it kept breaking off right at the weight. So I'm just gonna reline it. That didn't go that far, but I mean, they've been biting like crazy. So this squid is floating right here, but we'll see if anything will come up and grab it from the top, which would kind of be cool, eh? Oh, ooh, I'm getting bites, Got one. Oh, yeah. Oh! Damn it. All right, you saw that. He was on there. This place is insane. The only thing I'm worried about is if a sea lion just comes out of nowhere, because then at that point I'm a little screwed. I think I gotta throw the weight back on, man. Unfortunately. Because this squid don't want to sink. Alright, so we're back at it. I had to change up my rig a little bit. Hopefully this will do. Still got the freeze-dried squid on there. No sea lions yet. Much farther. It's gonna get down to the bottom, and hopefully we get some action. I'm telling you, they start eating it right away. Already bites. This might be the I just hope that weight doesn't mess everything up. Oh. Yep. Yeah. So it feels all right. What I'm talking about, baby. Hell yeah. That's a nice size cod. Check it out. Chill, buddy. Damn, that's a good one. All right, so it looks like the weight was the move. Let's see. Beautiful fish. Look at that. I call it a blue cod for a reason. Nice hook set right in the mouth. Gotta get this guy back in the water. That's how you do it. See you, buddy. Yeah. Oh, yeah. He's decent. Sometimes they get caught on rocks. Another little cod for you. Beautiful blue cod. See him in the light. Beautiful fish. There he goes. This will get him. That's a winner. I hope you can see how beautiful this place is, because it's... Oh. Can you see my rod tip? It's getting destroyed. Yeah, that's a fish. Oh, he's single on a rock. Yep. I know I act like it's the biggest fish in the world every time. Ooh, new species. Oh yeah. Oh, this guy has teeth. You gotta see the teeth on this bad guy. Look at the teeth on this guy. Rawr. Beautiful little fish. Let him go. See ya, buddy. And he's off. Ugh. I definitely can't wait to get home and bass fish. Being from Chicago, just pond hop with the boys and catch some piggies. But it's always really cool to... Oh, that's a cool bird. It's always really cool to get out here, somewhere new, and do some kind of fishing that you don't usually get to do. I mean, this place is so insane, so remote. Already another fish. Come on. Yeah. Ah, get off that rock. Here he comes. Crazy fishing out here. And that, ladies and gentlemen, that is a New Zealand blue cod. Oh, there he goes. Splash in my mouth. But yeah, that's how it's done. Same piece of squid, by the way. Absolutely cranking them. I'm telling you, just talk. I don't, like, I knew I had to get to a piece of the island that jutted out there. But I didn't expect there to be this many fish. I mean, you know, biting and just... I already got another one, I'm telling you. You make it hard for them to grab that squid by folding it a bunch of times or whatever. And they really pick at it, and eventually one gets stuck on there. And people think I'm crazy for letting these cod go, man. I mean, I'm talking, they call it a kilo. Ah, shit, I don't know if that's a fish. Yeah, it is. But these cod go for $40 a kilo, which is 2 pounds, so about 20 bucks a pound. And here's another one. And you could catch like 20 of these things a day or something. Woo! Chill, 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 chill. Take it easy. Ah. Ah. These things are... Cod. Beautiful. Damn. And honestly, I'm surprised I haven't had any problems with another one of these guys. If anyone knows what kind of fish this is, please let me know, because I have no idea. But all I do know is that they have teeth. Ooh, they have big, scary teeth. This one has chompers. You want to get chomped, that's for sure. You already saw it, but wow, that was embarrassing. There he goes, but I thought he was gonna turn around and bite me. The craziest part is there's literally no one out here. If I came in, or if an orca just came up and murked me, that'd be it. You guys would be the only ones to see it. You guys as in no one, because the video would never be made. High tide would come, wash away all my shit, and that'd be it. See ya. It was nice fishing with ya. I hate that I have to leave. All right. Well, that's it for today's adventure. And look at this foldable rod. This thing's badass. I literally just put it in my backpack. And bada boom, bada bing. Caught like 20 fish. This is one of the coolest days of fishing in my life. If you can ever get out to somewhere crazy where you've never been to fish, I would 100% recommend it. I'm out here, Stewart Island, New Zealand. Brought my little extendable fishing rod, bought some freeze-dried squid, and just had one of the best days of fishing in my life. Thank you, New Zealand, and thanks for watching.